Welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. My name is Josh, and this is the show where I learn how to cook one dish at a time. And today we are flipping the script. I am making breakfast for dinner. I want to make something that I've never made before that I can eat for breakfast or dinner. So I talked to my little friend here, Mr. Chat GPT, and he gave me a list of items, and he said, hey, why not try a nice breakfast burrito? I said, you know what? That's amazing. I've had a bacon and eggs episode, so I already know how to make it, and I'm just going to be adding a few things I've never messed with, like an avocado. I get to make some hash browns, which I have not done. So it's sort of like incorporating some new with some old and making everyone's favorite thing to eat, a burrito. My loaded breakfast burrito is going to have eggs, bacon, cheese, salsa, avocado, hash browns, and it will be grilled to perfection. Easy, quick, and super satisfying. Let's cook. What are the ingredients today? 8 eggs, 8 slices of bacon, shredded hash browns, shredded cheddar cheese, and I went with the sharp kind. Ow! 1 avocado. Salsa, and I went with mild because mild is all I can handle now. And of course, the tortilla, and I got the burrito side. There'll be some salt, pepper, and olive oil to go along with the cooking. That's all the ingredients for today. Look at this, a new area for the show. This is my Presto electric grill. As you can see, it is now warming up. I've set it to 350 degrees. And we're gonna do all our cooking here. The bacon first, the hash browns, scramble up the eggs, then we're gonna assemble the burrito. And we're gonna do it all here on this nice electric griddle. I'm gonna go open the bacon. The griddle is warm. Let's start with the bacon. Here we go. Look at that. And now, yeah, let's go that way. 1. Oh, it's gonna smell good. The Nintendo Switch comes out tonight. So I set an alarm for 11:50 so I can be awake to pre-order it. Let's see if that works. 5. I probably only need like 6. 6. Let's just do 8. 7 on the side. Okay. Bacon's on the griddle. Let's go put this aside. All right, it's cooking pretty fast. Flip over. Oh. You can do this in a pan, and the recipe I got says you could use breakfast sausage, but I'm not really a sausage guy. I am a bacon guy. Just ask my doctor and my cholesterol. Oh, come on. Stay down. Why is he a curly? Come on. Very loud. Oh, this one. Don't burn. Stay down. I don't know why this guy won't stay down. All right. We got the flip. Bowser's over there just watching at the door. The key to this recipe is going to be the construction of the burrito and the folding. I can already tell you that now. Another flip. Lots of bacon grease there. This one's almost done. Yeah. For some reason it's cooking a lot more at the top there. Seems to be that it gets hotter, over there, in different areas on this grill. Not in the middle, but more on the outsides. So, all right, this piece looks done. What do you think? Yeah, I think you're done. I also go by eyeing bacon. I know you can do a timer. It seems to vary Yeah, this one's done. Okay, we're gonna take that and put it on our little plate here. Try not to burn ourselves. Yep, this one's done as well. And I'm just laying them on a plate so it can drain off all that bacon fat, which I almost just got all over the counter. Yeah, this one's definitely done. So bacon took no time at all to cook. Let's move this over to this side because it cooks better. When I put it in the burrito, I guess I'm going to cut these up. That would probably make the most sense. All right, this one looks done. I think these are all done. Oh, a little bit for that. Oh yeah, these are all done. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at that. Show the camera there. Look at beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm going to put another paper towel on top, get all that grease off, and we're done with the bacon. Let's move on to the hash browns. I had to try bacon. All right, hash browns next. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to use bacon grease. Add potatoes. Spread evenly and press down lightly with a spatula. 6 to 7 minutes or until golden brown on the bottom. Then drizzle additional vegetable oil. Turn potatoes over and cook for another 6 to 18 minutes. Do not eat until fully cooked. What's that about? All right, let's do it. Whoa! I don't know if I was supposed to use the whole bag. Let's put some back. Spread these out. Yeah, that's a good amount. Hey Google, set a timer for 6 minutes. And I appreciate if you would cooperate with me today. Google, show me the timer. Hey Google, show me the timer. So there we go, beautiful. I need a spatula. And then what does it say to do? Lightly. There we go, look at that. I feel like a hibachi chef. I could do like tricks. They're definitely getting brown underneath. Let's do them a little bit more of that patty. That's what I should be doing. I should be getting the eggs ready. Get our eggs in here. We've got a minute 45 to go. We'll do that. We'll crack some eggs. One, and I don't have a trash bowl. My trash bowl. All right, we got a minute to go, so we can do some more eggs. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. It's sort of, I'm afraid I'm gonna light it on fire. 2. Oh, God. 3. Look, multitasking. 4. 5. Still no shell. I just jinxed it. 18 seconds. Can I get them all? Oh. 6. 7. And hey Google, stop timer. All right, let's put that on pause. Now we're going to flip these over. Oh, look at what we got here. Oh, well, it doesn't cook as well in the middle, I'm noticing. Look at this. All right, well, those we'll have to watch. All right, let's put some olive oil on these too. Okay, I think I'm gonna do some salt and pepper as well. Because you know I'm a cook now, and I just figure things out. All right, back to the eggs. All right, we got 8 eggs. Okay, let's whisk. Oh, I gotta be more careful. All right, I usually do this with a fork. Maybe I should have done this with a fork. Okay. Oh no, I didn't set a timer. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes. Sure. See, there's so much going on here. I can't remember everything, but it was about 2 minutes that happened there. All right, look at that. Our eggs are ready once these are done. Now, these need to flip again because I don't like that they don't cook. The griddle only seems to cook on the outside, which makes no sense. It kind of scared me with the, what did it say again? Note, during cooking potatoes, they must reach a temperature of 165 for 2 minutes. Do not eat until fully cooked. What does that mean? Why is it such a big deal? It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. Oh yeah, look at these. All right, let's do a little bit more of this pushing. And I think these are good. Let's put them on the plate. These are definitely good right here. These are my like show off ones. Maybe that's the good spot over there. Why am I holding this? Getting these off are not very easy. So much like you got a sneak attack to get them on. Sneak attack! Sneak attack! Sneak attack! Okay. There's our potatoes. Are the eggs. We've whisked these up. We've added some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some butter a little bit. And here we go. Stay on the dish. Is my thing not flat or something? Why is everything going this way? It's supposed to come this way, I thought. Am I doing something wrong? This thing does cook though, yeah. I know that's right. All right, look at that. Got it all together now. Now I'm gonna flip them. Yeah. Sneak attack. Spatulas should be called sneak attackers. Okay, throw some butter on there. Okay, these are looking easy. The egg's the easiest thing to cook, I think. Scrambled eggs are very easy to cook. I've been making them in the mornings on the weekend for Austin and Jacob. They seem to enjoy them. I usually make them with the cheese already in, but I decided for this to do it. Go by the recipe. These are like pretty much done. Look, I made a heart like at the thing, and then he goes like this and goes boom, 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 boom. I learned that from my hibachi dinners. Okay, these look done. All right, I'm gonna get these on the plate, move everything over here, cut up some bacon and avocado, and then we're gonna construct the burrito and see what I've made. There's our eggs. This is an avocado. I'm told there's a pit inside, so I need a spoon too. Halfway, right down the middle.
It's gonna resist, so
all right.
you kind of turn it
around. All right, here we go. Oh. Was it not supposed to cut all the way through? But that's what it looks like on the emoji right there. Okay, we gotta get this pit out. Come on out, mother. Yeah! Okay, so now that the pit is out, I'm gonna go around here, get it out so I can cut it. Look at that. Oh, well. Oh, I don't think you're supposed to do it that way, but there you go. Ah! All right, we're gonna then cut this long ways. Put them in my little bowl. Here's another thing I'd like to raise a question. At Chipotle, they make you pay more for avocado, yet this avocado was 88 cents. So explain to me why you have to pay more at Chipotle. Comment below. Okay, there you go. We have cut an avocado. Now it's time to take all these ingredients and make a burrito. Okay, here we are. It's time to assemble the burrito. First, we add the eggs. Let's get a healthy amount of eggs in there. Okay. That's good. Then the bacon. Okay. Then the hash browns. Then cheese. Oh, this looks incredible. Then the avocado. It's good enough. And then it says salsa. Do I want salsa? I guess we got to do it for the recipe. Just a little bit. All right. Okay, I'll put this right. Okay. Now, that is a lot. Wow. Okay. All right, so now we got to roll it. This is the hardest part. Okay, here's the trick. You want to come in, get everything in the center like I did. Come in from the sides. Then come from the bottom. Get it up. Tuck it. And... okay. There it is. Now we're going to head over and toast it a little bit on that griddle. And we're going to try it. I should probably do this side first. Okay. Give it a minute. All right. We're going to go ahead and try this. Here we go. Before it falls apart. The loaded breakfast burrito from the Recipe Rookie going in. Oh my God. This is fantastic. Look at that. Look at all the layers. It is amazing. I need to get Austin in here. Austin! Come in.
Oh my God,
it's
that
so
looks
good.
so good.
I say take that bite right there. Okay? I got to hold it though. All right.
Oh my God.
Is it not amazing?
That's so good.
I'll make you one. You want another bite?
Yes.
Can you believe I made that? It's incredible.
It's so good.
All right, go back to your game. I'll make you one and call you when it's ready.
Oh my God, eating the salsa
This
is
is
good.
good. I did a little bit of the salsa. Oh my. So there it is. Crispy, cheesy, fluffy, everything you could ever want in a burrito. I can't believe how good it is. Like, I'm even blown away. Like, so if you like this video, please hit that like button. Remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate everyone that's contacted me and told me how much they love the videos and look forward to them, because I love making them. And if I can make stuff like this, woo, I'll see you next week for another episode of The Recipe Rookie. And remember, let's cook. Then we're going to assemble the burrito. Oh my God, I almost light myself on fire. Hopefully I don't start a fire. Ow, ow. Ah, ow. Okay, let's whisk. Oh, Google, show me the timer.